Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan Match Edition Evo 1.5 litre TSI 150 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, tinted rear windows, automatic LED headlights and park assist with rear view camera. It also comes with 19-inch Victoria Falls alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a driver profile select system, wireless app connect and 3-zone climate control. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbury.